Today we'd like to be able to show you as a really cool outdoor porch that we've been able to do for some clients, and it turned out to be awesome, and we would love to be able to show you what it's all about. What we did is worked with local renowned designer Gary Nance, and he worked with the clients to come up with a great concept. It looks like it's been here from day one on this house, and look at it. I mean, it looks like it's been here for 20 years, and we're extremely proud of a project like this because of the craftsmanship and detail that we've been able to put forth to these clients. And what was really important to these clients was sunlight. How much sunlight were they going to miss on the house now that we put this covered porch on? Sunlight was the first and foremost concern. So what we did as a company is that we come out here and we built a beam, a box beam, and put it up to the height of what this new porch would look like. So we started that about a week early, and we set it up and set it out here and gave them a physical mock-up of saying, this is how low this beam's going to be. How does it feel? And we ended up raising it lower of what the height of this porch was, because it was also really how much view am I going to lose with this roof and this beam that comes across over here. So the back side of this house, it always has had the cedar shakes on it. They've been sun bleached for 15 plus years, and we knew that we were putting this new roof on there. We needed to add more shingles. How were we going to do that? So really working with our painters, very, very good at what they do. They were able to create a stain over a couple of different weeks to match to the existing sun fade, and that's what we come up with on this project, and it turned out to be awesome. As we talked more and more about losing sunlight, I think that it was important to put skylights in here. So really what we did is something that we've never done before, is we did stackable skylights, and we went to the manufacturers and say, you know what, these are important to these clients to get as much light in as possible, and we wanted to see what type of stackable units, what's the biggest area of sunlight we could let through this roof. So we did our homework on that, and we were able to create some skylights through here, stacked double high, and it's a great addition to this porch and the extra light that they may have lost it without having skylights. An AZAC trim. This is a composite material that you know, it's more expensive, but at the end of the day, it's a higher quality product that we're able to put out there. We don't have to worry about bleeding or paint stain, bleed through, or knots or anything like this, and we get a product here that, you know, it looks like it could be built inside of a museum. You know, I had the porch, but you know what, they wanted a jacuzzi, and so working with Gary Nance, we were able to come up with this design that it butted to the existing porch. We sunk the jacuzzi in the ground about 2 feet. So what we were able to provide is something that's totally functional, and you know what, at the end of the day, it looks really awesome. You know what, scheduling, I mean, I think that's something we've been good at day one, from whether we were in the construction business or our personal life. And we're here to do really high quality work for our clients, is what we're really here to do.